As an integrated multi-physics design tool, Ansys Motor-CAD is well known for offering comprehensive parametric motor geometry templates that can be defined by either ratios or dimensions. This makes it very efficient to set up new motor geometries and explore the geometric design space using multiphysics analysis. The built-in templates in Ansys Motor-CAD allow for some degree of design space exploration, which is limited by the scope of those templates. To provide greater flexibility, Ansys has introduced a new paradigm in template design analysis by lifting the geometry limitations. The new adaptive templates capability in Ansys Motor-CAD enables users to benefit from the existing ratio-based parametric templates, but with the flexibility of modifying those templates to enable limitless geometric design space exploration. By using this new capability, Ansys Motor-CAD users can now produce even more competitive motor designs and drive innovation. In this example, we are using the interior permanent magnet V web rotor template. Using the adaptive templates, we have created 3 new parameters. Once we have created those new parameters, we can then embed a Python script which re-parameterizes the flux guides in this template using a Bezier curve. Once we have completed this, we now have a new parametric motor template which fuses the built-in template in Ansys Motor-CAD with our own customization. We can now access and change the newly created parameters in the geometry interface, and the geometry will update accordingly. We can also modify the built-in parameters and update the design. In brief, the new adaptive template function in Ansys Motor-CAD allows engineers to very quickly and easily modify the existing built-in templates to create their own innovative parametric motor templates for fully flexible motor geometry creation and unlimited multiphysics design space exploration. Learn more about the adaptive template capability in Ansys Motor-CAD by registering for a webinar with this QR code. You can also request a free trial of Ansys Motor-CAD by scanning this QR code.